creating different pages and writing the first test. So in this video we'll discuss about execution of the test cases in the Selenium Java testng framework. So let's discuss about that. So in the last video we already did a page factory init elements, and we have initialized driver with the web elements, and we have already written method for public void verify login, and we have passed the username and password details, and we are clicking on the login button, right? Okay, after this we will go to the test class. So a login test that we already created. So go to login page test. Okay, here also we'll do the same extends. We will extend here base class, our base. Where is base class? This one. So after that, because we need a driver here as well, so that's why we will extend here an initialization method that we have created. We have created initialization, right? Open URL, sorry, this is the open URL method. So we need that method as well. So go back to login page test. Okay, so I'll directly write the setup of the login test class, how it looks. Okay, so at the rate before before method. So we need here these are the annotations that we use. So before method is like open browser and the initialization method. So we'll give name it as a setup, or you can give anything like open browser or something like that, initialize everything. So in the before method we have written code, we will write code about initialization. We'll just call the method open URL from the that we have written in the base class. So this will open the URL. So this we have written in the open before method, and in the after method we have to close the browser. So we'll write the method to close the browser. So it will be like a close browser. So give the driver dot close, or you can use also quit. Okay, so this is before method and this is after method. So this will open the URL and open the browser, open browser and then open URL, and this will close the browser after execution of the test cases. So in the middle of this we have to write the test at the rate test. So this is our test, and this method name will be public void, and so we will copy the same method that we have written here in the login page. So the name is verify login, and we'll simply paste it verify login, and we'll write test in front of it so that it will be easy to identify it. This method belongs from the uh, login page test class. Okay, now what we have to do is we need to create one object of this class, this login page class. So for that we need class name. So just copy the login page class name, come here, and then go here. So we'll make it as a global because we need that in other methods as well. So login page, and a variable will be anything login. And what is the issue? We need to call something like, yeah, it's saying what is the issue? Import. Yeah, we need to import it, right? And then what we have to do is inside the before method we have to initialize it login equal to new login page and semicolon. Okay, so we have made it as a global because we need that in each test, or maybe we need in the each test, but we and then we are passing values inside this, we are initializing inside the before method. Okay, so this is what we are doing, and then after that we'll simply go here and we'll use login dot verify login. This method is present inside the login page, right? So this is the verify login, and we have created the object of this login page. And after creating login page by using login that object dot verify login, we call the method. Now let's execute the code. Everything we have done, we have done everything. So let's click right click, run as testng. So our code will execute now. Start execution. Okay, it will open the browser. It will not maximize because we have not done maximize. It has passed. We can't say anything because it's super fast. We have not added any weight or static weight, dynamic weight. That's why it is super fast. Yeah, the test case got passed. Okay, so uh, how to identify that what it has done, and to maximize the screen, we have not maximized, right? We have seen very small. So for maximize, use here driver dot manage dot windows dot maximize. So it will maximize this window. Then after that, we want is we'll use thread dot sleep. This is the static weight, just to see what is happening in there. So we'll give 2 seconds of wait. This will throw exception. Just click on add throws exception, and exception is the topmost class. So yeah, do these things, and then we'll get some exception here as well in the test because we are calling the method from there. So we have to click on add throws and click on exception. Okay, now issue is resolved. Okay, so we will do one more thing. We need to verify. We have to verify after login. So suppose we have logged in. Now we want to verify this URL. So just copy the URL, go back here. Sorry, looks we have in the different thing. Okay, come here, and we'll use something like string expected URL equal to, in double inverted comma, we'll paste the URL, and here it will be actual URL string actual URL equal to login. So now we are seeing some issue here. So how to resolve that? Go back to login page, and after login we want a driver dot get current URL. So this will give the URL, the current page URL. So we want to return it, and we will use string here. So capital S. Okay, so just save this class, go back here, the issue is now gone, and we'll use assert here to check the two actual and expected result. Assert dot assert equal, and here we'll pass actual URL, and here we'll use expected URL. So this is our complete one test case, and also we'll pass thread dot sleep here as well because we want to see what's going on. So we'll pass here thread dot sleep because we want to see what happens after the passing, and we want to see how it looks, right? So we'll give the wait of 2 seconds. Control S. This is also, or this will throw the exception. Just click on it, click on exception, and our exception gone. Okay, save this. Now again we will get that exception for here. Just click on it, click on exception, and now issue is resolved. Okay, just run it again, and now we can see, we will be able to see the screen maximize it will maximize the window. Look, yeah, it maximized. Now it will send user, and yeah, why the thread dot sleep is not working? We didn't see the that it was there after, I guess, open the browser, and after it was very quick because 2 seconds are also quick. So this is how we can execute our test, And this is the complete steps to write the first step inside the Selenium Java testng framework. Yeah, that is it. Thank you.